Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. Congratulations on your newly updated Windows 11 computer. Well, everything about the update is good. The only thing that we don't like actually is the taskbar located in the center. Now, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily move your taskbar from the center to the left one. So, without any further ado, let's get started. The very first thing that we need to do is at the bottom search bar, search for settings. Okay, so once you have typed it, go for the best match, double tap to open. Once you are being redirected here at the settings, proceed to personalization, which you can see here at the left side of your screen next to network and internet. Simply click on it, and here you need to scroll down and look for taskbar. Okay, so I can see here next to start, tap it once again, and here in this taskbar sections, you need to scroll down and look for taskbar behaviors, which contains the taskbar alignment, badging, automatically hide, and multiple displays. Now, simply click this down arrow to see more. And once you have clicked that, you will be able to see more of the options under the taskbar behaviors. Now, in order to dislocate the taskbar in the center to the left, simply click this button here, aligning the taskbar alignment. Click this down arrow and select the left. So in that manner, we have just successfully dislocate our taskbar from the center to the left. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.